Name Kayla, and this is the story of one normal school year in Jamaica turned into the biggest love story of my life. At the start of the term, me never did upon no boy business. Me just did one pass my exams, make me mother proud, and maybe become head girl one day. But everything switched the morning one new boy named Daniel walk in at the classroom, and the teacher introduced him and sit him right beside me. And from that moment, me feel this little nervous feeling, even though we only start off with small talk about pen, homework and classwork. But before long, we start laugh together, share jokes, sit under the tree for lunch, and walk go the gate after school. And me start notice how easy it feel to talk to him, and how him always make me smile even when school stress me out. And then one rainy afternoon, when the rain drop heavy and everybody run for cover, we end up stuck under the same little shelter near the library, laughing while the rain splash round we, till him suddenly look for me serious and say him glad him transfer come here because of me meet, and my heart start beat fast like drum, because deep down me know me feel the same way. And from that day, school never feel boring again. Me start look forward to morning, fix me hair neat, and smile anytime me see him. And by the end of the term, when him finally tell me say him did like me from the first week, me feel shy but happy same time, because me realize say love not always come with big fireworks. Sometimes it grow quiet beside you in a class, in a laughter, in a rainy day, and in a them small moments we turn into the start of your first real love story.